In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input at the top, select On-Screen Keyboard and tap on Gboard. Now finally click on Theme and scroll all the way down. Then you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners. And following that, just click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Now you can click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to, you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes instead. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Now you can adjust brightness of it by swiping left or right on this slider and tap on Done. After that, click on this switcher to manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then you need to select Apply again. In order to delete it though, click on it, but this time select this pin icon over here and confirm your choice by choosing OK in the pop-up. So now finally, when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!